Welcome to the Dancing Yoga Club. We have another tap tutorial. Today we're going to be doing a shuffle ball change. So we're going to brush forward, brush back, ball change. And to the side, it's the same. We're just going to bend our knee so it points towards the side. Forward, back, ball change. A ball change is just basically stepping back on one foot and stepping forward on the other foot. Shuffle, ball change. Shuffle, ball change. Shuffle, ball change to the side. Knee goes out to the side. And look how bent my knee is. That's going to really help me get a nice crisp sound. You can pick up the speed, go a little bit faster. Shuffle, ball change. Shuffle, ball change. Nice. Give it a practice.